All right, this is for creators out there that are making money off of brand deals and paid promotions. There are so many creators in your niche that are getting brand deals that you probably don't even know about. So I built this tool using Apify called Brand Deal Spy that lets you put in your own social account. It will scrape your social account and then use AI to come up with search terms to search the platform that you're on, find creators that are similar to you in your niche, and then allow you to spy on them. And this spy feature is going to let you scrape the creators that you selected and scrape their posts and search the transcripts and captions for keywords such as like ad, paid promotion, and then also looking at the transcript for any words that might denote that this was a paid promotion put in the video that wasn't in a caption at all. So let's look at what the pipeline looks like. As you can see here, we have a diagram to sort of show you how everything is working. First, you will enter your handles for your social platforms, and then we will scrape your posts with YouTube, IG, and TikTok, depending on what platform you put in, or all three. Then we're going to use Claude Sonnet to detect your niche based off of the transcripts of the videos. And then we're going to come up with 5 search queries for the platforms that you put into the beginning. And then we're going to come up with a competitor list. Once you have this competitor list, you can select the competitors that you want to spy on, and we will scrape up to 100 posts for each competitor. Each scrape is going to come with scraping of the post captions as well as the transcripts, and then we will pass it through a keyword pre-filter. And then once we have that done, we will pass it through an AI classification step using Claude Haiku, just really a cheap model for the sake of the video. And the final output will be a list of all of the brand deals that these creators have had based on what we scraped from them. So let me show you what the demo looks like. As you can see, I have a UI that I created for this video. This is Brand Deal Spy, and we are on the Discover step. So let's take a YouTuber like t3.gg, because he has a lot of sponsors for his videos, and we will put his handle in for YouTube. And then we can set a max following range. We can start it at like 500,000 subscribers or followers, depending on the platform, and then we will run discovery. So when I click it, it's going to kick off a run for an actor that I created. And as you can see, this is the Brand Deal Spy in action. First, we'll be scraping his YouTube channel, and then we will use AI to come up with search terms that match his niche. And then we will search YouTube for those search terms that AI comes up with. And then we will return a list of potential competitors. Okay, and we have completed the first part of the Brand Deal Spy. Right here, let's select 2. So I'll select these 2 channels, and I will move on to the spy step. Now, what this is going to do is it is going to ask me how many posts per creator I would like to scrape. We can start with, let's say, the last 10 posts each. And we will hit start. Now what it's going to do is it is going to use the Apify YouTube scraper to scrape the videos for those 2 channels. And we're going to be searching the descriptions of the videos as well as the transcript and passing it through a keyword filter, which has words like link in bio, code, paid promotion, advertisement, etc. And then we will use an AI model to classify and verify that these are paid promotions. Okay, and it found 13 brand deals. So let me move my head up a bit. And as you can see, we have a list of the brand deals that were made for each video, and it links out to the video. As you can see here in the description, part of the ad, it is for oz.dev, and that is exactly what we had. And so just to recap what we've done so far, we input the social handle of the creator that we are, or in this case, Theo, and we added scrape his channel. Then we used Apify's scrapers to scrape his channel and use AI to come up with search terms that we can then search the platform for to find creators in the similar niche. Then we allow the user to select which creators they would like to spy on, and then we take those people that they'd like to spy on and we scrape their videos up to a certain amount, and we look at their description, we look at their transcripts, filter that for keywords that would denote that it is a paid advertisement or a promotion, and then we will verify that with an AI model just to double check, and then we get this list out here. And so why is this useful? It's useful because if you're a creator, a very big source of revenue is generally from brand deals, paid promotions, and sponsorships. Now, that's very tedious work to do if you have to go through manually and research all these different brands and see who they're working with. But with this tool, this took us probably maybe, I want to say 8 minutes. And now you have potential sponsorships or brand deals that you could do with brands that are already making deals with creators similar to you already. And so this significantly cuts down the time for finding the right brands to reach out to, and you don't have to spend more time hunting down the right one to make a little bit more money and support your creative endeavors. Now, I will leave the GitHub repo for both the front end and the Apify actor I built in the description below. I will also leave a link to apify.com where you can sign up to use the platform, which will be necessary for this tool. And if you have any questions, you can reach out to me on LinkedIn or X. That's it for now. Thank you for watching.